Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about ClickCease reviews and product details. See where the ClickCease community loves using our technology to ensure that their ads are safe from competitors, bots, and other fraudulent sources. Success stories from verified users. Best for Google Ads advertisers interested in optimizing their campaigns by eliminating fake clicks on their PPC campaigns. Anyone that is advertising on Google Ads is vulnerable to click fraud, unfortunately. Install ClickCease Super easy. Our algorithm does all the work for you with seamless integration to your Google Ads account. All you need to do is sign up, paste code, your ads are protected. Get a ClickCease account for free today, and you'll start thinking about fake Google Ads clicks. Thank you. I hope that information helped. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about ClickCease and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.